With a growing workforce across the UK, USA and India, Bromford is a premier supplier of performance-critical parts to the global aerospace, defence and industrial gas turbine sector. Bromford have a breadth of blue-chip OEM custom approvals, including Rolls-Royce, GE, Safran and Siemens. As we grow, our team is expanding. Core to our activities are our people and our values. Customer focus, continuous improvement, teamwork, respect, which form part of our collective ambition at Bromford.
The challenge for manufacturing operations and our supply chain is to deliver the group's ambitions for growth in the most efficient way and to seamlessly integrate newly acquired businesses. We're rising to this challenge by investing in state-of-the-art machining and inspection capabilities, by working with industry-leading suppliers and by developing our people around a Bromford production system to ensure we all remain focused on customer and shareholder expectations.
Aerocision is a manufacturer of precision machine components. We're located in Chester, Connecticut. In March of 2018, we were acquired by Bromford Group. The integration in the group has been outstanding. Their focus is on continuing growth and investment in new equipment. We manufacture both static and rotating components for military and commercial applications. We're involved in many of the OEM's new engine programs. To support this, we've invested in 5-axis mill turn capacity, especially with a focus on in-machine inspection, automation, and lights-out manufacturing.
Our aim at Bromford is to provide a working environment which promotes positive employee engagement in all business activities. We continually measure employee engagement at all Bromford sites. This activity allows employees to feedback and score questions related to communication, leadership approach and development opportunities.
I've been here 7.5 years now at Bromford and it's a real great place to work. Very friendly, great atmosphere and the future's looking very good because we've got new machinery, new plants and we've won quite a few new orders as well.
I like the autonomy and the ability to use my skills I've developed over a lifetime of machining and working with the people who are here. It's a great crew to work with and it's a very easy place to work.
I've been here for 4 years. When I started here I was a CNC operator machinist. Then I was promoted to a supervisor and also sent to school to become a programmer. If you show that you want to learn something, I think they're behind you and they want to push you along.
I started working at Bromford in 2011 and completed a 4-year apprenticeship programme. Since then I've learnt 5-axis laser setting and operating, 3D printing and optical metrology.
My new starting experience with Bromford is very exciting. I find Bromford Industry has invested in a lot of new technology, a lot of new machineries. Since I've started with Bromford Industry, Bromford has given me opportunity to learn the new software with the SolidWorks, SolidCAM, and also on-machine operation, which is the new MASAC behind me.
I joined Bromford Industries in 1998 as a technical apprentice. Since then I've built my career through positions in engineering, quality and manufacturing with the full support of Bromford Industries both financially and academically.
I started out at Bromford as a production controller. I've been given the opportunity to move across to another role with external training as a material buyer. I've also been given the opportunity to work across 2 sites which I enjoy. It gives me a different perspective and an outlook on our different priorities which enables us to work better as a team.
I wanted to work for Bromford because in addition to be a very diverse and welcoming environment, it is a highly skilled company and it was for me a great opportunity to enhance my skills.
When I drive past you can see it's a big place, you can see the big sign and everything. Like, you know, all my family and everything, you know, I work at an aerospace base, it's quite impressive. Like, I do feel proud saying stuff about it.